Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Penny and I'm the owner of 1 Cent Crochet. Today I'm going to be vlogging another day in the life of a crochet business owner. So this is a part of my series running a small business, and I'm going to be showing you a couple of different things that I do each day in my crochet business. Or actually there's a few things today that I don't normally do. So yeah, this is going to be a quick vlog of all the fun little things I do in a day. So first of all, I would like to thank you guys for all the support that I'm receiving over on Instagram at the moment. I'm probably going to hit 10,000 followers soon, which is so exciting. Secondly, I've had tons and tons of people messaging me asking about the cow plushies. So the people that watched my Everything I Crocheted in a Month video will know which cow plushie I'm talking about, and I'm also going to be showing it in this video. So I don't normally sell the bigger plushies, I just sell the smaller plushies. I don't have any boxes big enough for the bigger plushies yet. But since I've had so many people requesting it, I am going to be putting up an Etsy listing today for a custom cow plushie. So you'll be able to go on and select what color you would like your cow to be, and then in a few weeks I'll ship out the cow to whatever location you're from. So the link to that listing will be in the description, but I'm also going to be showing you the process of me making the listing, because it's definitely going to be a bit different to any other plushies that I've shipped out. As well, I have to package an order for a plushie that I have going out tomorrow, and I'm also going to be filming a different video today, but I probably won't show too much of that because that is a surprise video that will be released in a couple of weeks, so a little bit after this one. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So this morning I'm going to try and figure out how to price my custom cows that I'm going to be doing. So this is my cow plushie, and this is a pattern that I wrote and it's completely original, and I've had quite a few people asking where they can buy the actual plushie of it. But I have to try and figure out how to price them properly, which is going to be difficult. I only price like these little ones that I make, not the bigger ones. So I'm gonna try and see if I can look up a crochet price calculator. Here we go, here's a pricing formula, and I'm gonna use it, and then I'm gonna have to convert it to Australian dollars because I think it will be in American dollars, but I'm not sure. Okay, so how long did my product take to complete? I can't exactly, I should have remembered, I should have written it down, but I think it was about 4 hours-ish. Or, I don't know, 4.5. I'll go 4.5 just to be safe and see what happens. Okay, what's my hourly rate? What's minimum wage? Okay, what's minimum wage in Australia? It's $23? That's not right. Okay, I'm gonna specify my age. Okay, yeah, that looks right. Okay, I'm just gonna put about $15. And then the cost of my materials. Okay, so I used 2 skeins of this yarn. These cost about $6.50 each in Australian dollars. Actually, maybe more like $7.50. Okay, so this says $80 in total. It wouldn't let me put in 4.5 hours. It only let me put in 4 hours. So it would actually be about $95. I'm gonna convert $80 AUD to USD. Okay, that's 53 US dollars, because most of my customers are actually from the US, but they have to pay more in shipping because that's kind of just how it works, unfortunately. Okay, $80 for this guy that took 4.5 hours and $20 in material. I'm trying to decide if that's a fair rate or not. I think it's fair. This one took a while to make with all the color changes and all that. So he's very precious. So $80, we'll stick with that for now. Now I have to set up the Etsy listing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it a custom pre-order cow, but I'm gonna have it so the processing time is about 4 weeks, maybe 3 to 4 weeks, so that I have time to actually make them. Now, the question is, do I include the shipping price within the cost of the plushie? Shipping from Australia to the US is around $24 Australian dollars, so that is 16 US dollars. And shipping from Australia to Australia is about $9. So that's a big jump, $9 to $24. And how do I make that fair to Australians to give it free delivery if they have to pay a lot less shipping? So I think there's an option in Etsy where you can make it less for your own country to buy the product. So I can give the Australians a slightly lower price because I'm going to be sort of averaging the shipping prices. Okay, so I just put this together. It's annoying me a little bit that the 6 and 7 are out of place, but that's okay. And that's all the colors that will be available for the secondary color of the cow. So now I'm gonna set up the listing. So I put the listing photos in. Next, I need to add a description. I actually need to measure the cow first. Okay, I have one broken ruler and one good one. Let's have a look. How tall are you? Almost 26 centimeters, and I'll convert that to inches. So 26 centimeters tall, and then across weighs about 18 centimeters across. Okay, I will get back to you once I've completed this listing and I'll show you what I've got. Okay, so I've just finished making the listing. So it's called Custom Crochet Cow Plushie with Belle, and you can see I have the color options there. And then if we scroll down, we have the listing description. And finally, we have the pricing. So it's going to be 85 Australian dollars for Australian. So that includes free delivery, and everywhere else it's going to be 104 Australian dollars, which I believe is about 65 US dollars. And that's also going to have completely free delivery. And right now I'm only going to have 5 available, but that can change depending on demand. So yeah, I am ready to publish the listing. Okay, so next up, I have to package and get ready to send off a plushie that someone purchased on my Etsy. So this is the plushie that the person bought, and it's going to New South Wales in Australia. And he's so cute and little, and I can't wait to send him off, and I hope that the person who bought him really likes him. So yeah. So to start off, I always wrap them in tissue paper. So I ran out of cute tissue paper, so instead we've just got this like grey colour. So that's unfortunate, but I'm going to buy some nice pretty tissue paper soon. So we're just gonna wrap him up. So he's all wrapped up in the tissue paper. So now I'm gonna put him in my packaging. Okay, so my packaging is really cute. I love it so much. It's this little like autumn colors, you know? So I am going to invest in proper boxes for the custom cow plushies that I'm gonna be sending out. But for these little ones, I just use poly mailers because they're less likely to get like squished and pushed around. Like if this duck gets a little bit squished in the mail, it won't actually affect its shape, but with something as big as a cow, it might. Okay, so now I have to do the hardest part, which is peeling this bit off and then sticking it down without it going everywhere. So, okay, peel it off. And then, okay, there we go. So he's all packaged up. I need to print the label, but I won't be able to do that until tomorrow because my printer is broken. So I have to go into university to get it printed, which is fine. That will be sent off tomorrow afternoon. Next up, I'd like to show you this little axolotl guy that I crocheted for my friend's birthday, which is tonight, and she might be watching this video, maybe. This is a pattern by Loretta's Loops on Instagram. And I've never made an axolotl before, and I was considering making a pattern for an axolotl, but there's so many patterns available that I figured it just wouldn't be worth it because it's impossible to be original because there's literally millions of axolotl patterns out there. So I just used someone else's pattern for this, and I like how it turned out, you know, it's pretty adorable. So yeah. Also, look at how neat my yarn is right now. This is like the neatest it's been in so long. So that is the end of the video basically. I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog thing. I hope to continue this series. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And please feel free to suggest any videos that you want to see in the future in the comment section. See you in the next video.